So hi guys, so I'm going to make a website using AI, and I'm going to create a website for our use, for our for my friends and for my not relatives because I'm an Indian. You know why? Okay, so I search for best topic for it, and for 2-3 days I researched for it, and I found the topic. So the topic is that I will make a Python or like means a developer website I want to make. So then I research for 1 to 4 days, and I found some AI. So one of the AI is Cloudy or Cloud, or for the pronunciation, or and one is that Beat Built AI or Beat AI. And I also research in Chat GPT. I showed in last. So it is uh, heavy thing to do because I'm just now 12. So I did research for it like for 2 years, and after that I knew, yeah, you know what, I know that I need a PC or a laptop for it, and my monitor was not with me, so I have to wait for like 1 week.